Morning everyone, here I am in Cyprus soaking up some winter sun. Got a lovely sleep in this area last night, but my alarm clock this morning was these trucks and diggers soaking up the winter seaweed. But still a beautiful spot to waken up to. So I'll pedal off and find a quieter place to relax, read my book and reflect. It's still low season, so it's very quiet with tourists. A few early morning joggers. Obviously the lifeguard posts are not open yet. But it gives you the style of where I'm at. I better get going before this big beauty starts up again. As always, a big hug. Much love. Eric.